It's magic time. Hello? You want some magic? Okay, gusto mo naman, okay lang, okay. And then this is my card, okay. So it's an ordinary card and pick one. I want to pick one. Okay. And then put here. You want to remember your card? Card. Card. Okay. And I want to remember your card. Remember your card. Okay. Is this your card? No. No, no. Okay. Shuffle. So medyo nagkamali ako and I think this is your card. Okay. This is card. And then yung card mo, ang gawin natin, lagyan lang natin sa gitna. So there's no card on the top. Okay. And then lubog na, boom. So where is your card? It's inside, but it jumps on top. Okay. One more time. Lagyan natin yung card, boom, and your card jumps on top, okay? Oh, I'm wrong, but because I'm a magician, pag ginanyan natin siya, okay, boom, turns to your card, okay? Okay, one more time, okay? So your card, okay? Lagyan natin sa gitna, hawakan mo lang yung, and then pag nilupog natin, boom, your card. Okay, no, look at the top, Okay? Okay, one more time. Always remember your card, okay? One more time. And then, shuffle natin yung deck. Okay, so nasa na yung card mo? Okay. Ang gusto nyo gawin natin, pag nilagay natin sa gitna, gusto ko, ilubog mo lang, lubog mo. And then your okay, one more time. Kung bakit lagi siyang pumupunta sa itaas, medyo i-reveal ko ng konti, okay? So, ang gawin mo lang, ang gawin natin, lagyan natin ng bend yung card. So, bend. And then, para may palatandaan tayo. Okay, yun yung card mo. And yung card mo. And then, pag pinatungan natin yung card, okay, saan na napunta yung card mo? Sa gitna. And then, look. Boom. Jumps on top. Thank you. Okay.